Sam, you don't wear pink gloves. Those belong to me. This is what happens when you set your gloves down around here. They steal them. Give me my gloves, Sam. Sam, those are Cindy's gloves. Give me my gloves. Please. Did you see that, guys? You see that? He stole my gloves, guys. He must be cold. Can I please have my gloves back? Thank you. Give me my gloves. Please, Sam. Give me my gloves. I'm not giving them back, are you? Hey, Winston. Hey, Bear. Sam, where do you think you're going with them gloves? Sam, give me my gloves right now, please. Hey, Minnie. Come on, Sam. Give Cindy back her gloves. Okay. Hey, Henry. Sam, can I have my gloves back, sir? Hey, Kira. Hey, Minnie. All right, Sam, you've worn them long enough. I want my gloves.